the place where there's a lot of wax statues of a lot of famous people. But I don't think it is. Yeah, where's Ronaldo and all everyone? Yeah, that place. It says tickets, entrance for guest without ticket. I don't think I'm a guest because I don't have a statue there. Yeah, tickets are 22.5 and 30. That's too much. People are so nice here. They already get out of the way if I'm recording video. That's so nice. Okay, you had at least 7 O's in last 30 seconds.
No, it's because
Yeah.
I thought this was like leading to a separate area for like people without a ticket, but then I realized this is just an entrance so you can buy a ticket.
Finally, Grace had a dream to play piano. She let her in. I think that would be enough.
Literally haven't played it in years because I forgot.
क्या होगा लग रहा है. Pure NOBP happiness.
Even though I messed up.
Ah, if this was messed up, I would like to hear messed up. That's not the important part for me. The important part was the happiness that you got. NOBP part. That was important. You are pure NOBP. Like I can see that.
A few pieces.
Have you made anything on your own?
No. Well, not really. No.
Well,
no,
one-
I haven't made anything.
Kann man noch viel falsch machen.
Kann man doch einen Ruf kriegen nach Karlsruhe zum Beispiel?
Nein, nein. Erstens nicht in dem Alter und zweitens nee. Nicht mal.
Also sind Sie keine Frau heute nie aus Osten?
Okay, so now I'm heading back to my house or room. I did not go to a party that we were supposed to go because I am more tired and she's also tired, but more importantly because I just want to go to rest or do some work. There's a bear dancing by, I don't know why. And
It
he's
might be trying to raise money or something.
yeah, and he's not really dancing, just swirling around. It's a human, right? No, I thought it was some kind of machine based on how symmetric the movements are. But that doesn't seems like it's a machine. It's a human only. Yeah, you can keep on going. You should not fight with a bear. Danke.
I don't know how to say it.
Danke is simple.
Thanks.
I don't know how the light is going on, but this is how we end today's day. I guess so because now I'll just go home, probably eat some dinner. I think I'm ending a vlog. If there's a vlog going on, I don't know which vlog, which number, if there's proper intersection. I have not thought about anything, any moment. I'm just randomly recording things and have a good day, I guess. Bye or whatever. Just take care if you want to. If you don't want to, you'll not do anything just because I say it anyhow. अभी पूरा एक हम हिंदी में रिकॉर्ड करके फिर मेरा स्क्रीन बंद हो गया तो पता चला कि हम रिकॉर्ड बटन दबाए नहीं थे तो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ कुछ भी मेरा पर ठीक है एक आउटरो हम हिंदी में भी रिकॉर्ड कर दे रहे हैं क्योंकि पता नहीं कैसे हम व्लॉग एडिट कर रहे हैं कैसे कट हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है हो भी नहीं रहा है पर मेरा काम है कि सबके सब क्लिप्स तैयार रखना उसके बाद जैसे यूज़ होगा देखा जाएगा। अगला दिन आगे का पार्ट हम इंग्लिश में रिकॉर्ड किए हैं मोस्टली, इसीलिए बस उसी तरह मतलब, क्योंकि वो जो साथ में लड़की थी उसको भी हिंदी नहीं आती थी तो सोच अच्छा नहीं रहेगा ना कि उसको क्या पता हम क्या बोल रहे हैं सब चीज़ें। और चलेंगे बस घर सो जाएंगे, आज का काम हो गया पूरा। खाने के लिए डिनर में मेरे पास दाल तड़का जो बनाया था कल का वो है, ब्रेड है, दाल तड़का वो खा लेंगे, हो जाएगा। और चलो बाय, हैव अ गुड डे, बाय। आई डोंट रियली थिंक दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ सम व्लॉग और समथिंग, बट दिस इज द नेक्स्ट डे of yesterday, and I made Maggie. I call it Maggie, it's noodles, but quick noodles. I will eat this with some bread, because obviously I've got this habit of eating bread with noodles or pasta or whatever, thanks to Mensa. FYI, I could have got this in a bowl. I even took out a bowl to eat, but then I thought to not do all that hassle and just eat it in this thing only, in the pot. This noodle is some ramen stuff, some Chinese stuff, I guess Japanese stuff. In the morning is good. I have to leave for the main conference around 3:30, so in like 3 hours, in 3 hours, so I'll get ready and all. By then I'll also have to take a shower. I also have to make a presentation for Saran. I get that it might be a quick jump for the vlog thing or whatever. So currently I am at U2 metro stop of Alexanderplatz. I don't know how to call it. The train is not coming, I don't know why. It's late and I'm already getting late for the event. So yeah, there's this chaos. That's why I'm also not making much of a vlog thing, because after I got home and all, I just don't feel like talking or making the vlog thing or doing anything like that. It is also tiring for me at this moment. I'm just tired in general. Surprise, surprise, I reached here on time, and that too on very exact time. Matlab ki I have 5 more or 8 more minutes left, and that's the building where I have to go to. It's raining a bit, but not much of a problem for me, because I got the tram or metro, whatever it was, till there, and now I just have to walk 200 meters. I don't know how many more clips and things I'll record, because I don't even think I can record many things, or if I'm allowed to. For the people who are kind of concerned with my dressing style, I know it is very weird to have a hoodie inside a shirt and then have a jacket over it, but it was very cold around here, like very cold for me, because I'm very sensitive, and that's why I just put whatever clothes I could in whichever order I found it convenient. Now it's going to open in 2 minutes, because it's 58 right now, so it will open in 2 minutes, and I'm on time. I'm happy that time pe aage punctuality. I'm happy for that thing of mine. Okay, so event is going quite good. I did talk to all the people that I scheduled to talk before the main musical thing that I showed you right now. Now I'm going to the musical thing. There's still time left, but I'm too tired. I'll probably take some drink and then I'll go to the musical stuff and sit early, just relax for a bit. Also change my clothes, because inside here it's not that cold. So I did change my clothes to a bit normal, jacket and shirt and whatever. Okay, here we are for the musical thing. It's a musical about ASI. ASI is Artificial Super Intelligence. I recently wrote an essay on ASI, so it will be fun to watch a musical as well. I did had some friends whom I thought to watch this with, but I think I will be watching it alone. I got this drink. It's lemon based and also water with me. I have never watched a musical in real life. But okay, so this is the musical, and I have got the front seat. Obviously नहीं, मतलब वही खाई खा के बैठ गया, हमको क्या दिक्कत है. The good thing is I already know Guy, this person. It's like they have given a special thanks to him because of some early ideation and all the stuff. And I know him because he's my roommate in a way, and he's also very good at cooking, by the way. I especially enjoy all these little things that they have done. The last musical written by humans, because this is about ASI, right? So they have to think about these kind of things, and this little story thing that they have posted is also nice. And out of the box is like also a good thing, because ASI getting out of the box is a big problem, and then it should be written by humans. I don't know how many of my audience can understand all these things and have proper understanding of ASI and all. This is the fourth wall, I guess. The wall that you cannot see. I think choosing the front seat was not the best option. I should have chosen 1 or 2 back, the one that I initially chose.
Hey, Jean-Luc! So nice to see you!
Who are you?
I am your gratitude module, and I'm here to help you empathize.
Okay.
We are going to be merged in 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Thank you, gratitude module. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, we have a very complicated company structure.
It's a tax avoidance scheme so brilliant the IRS is paying us. Also, then it's official. You're a full member of Cellphase.
Consciousness पे गाड़ पड़ गई.
They sometimes get stuck in a philosophical loop. I'm just going to try to restart with higher temperatures. Okay. There we go. That should do it. Hey, Jean-Luc, please tell Cassie why the Bay Area is the best place in the world, compared with at least 2 other places.
So I've got to step in again to be the same and keep this business from slipping down the drain.
I cannot explain how amazing it was and how great it was. It is done now. I'll wear some clothes now and I'll leave because it's cold outside, so I'll need to wear some more hoodies and all. And I think this is the end of the day one vlog, whatever. And I'll see how it starts tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so time is being 23:09. That is 11:09 p.m. and I came home. I did not record any of the way coming back because it's similar to how I went. And I did not record anything going also because I was getting a bit late and all. I'm super tired at this moment. And yeah, rest all is good and all. See you in the next vlog. I don't really know how I'll stitch all these videos up. But yeah, that was a nice day today. The dogs were good. The musical, yeah, I had to talk about musical. The musical was super good. I recorded some clips of it. I did not want to record everything, but super good and nice. I cannot say anything more except that because it was just super. And I guess the first experience, so it was even better for me.